Hello and welcome back to Fame Ebong TV. Today I want to teach you guys how I produce this beautiful and lovely soap you're seeing here. I'm sure it's looking like chocolate butter or it's looking like all these chocolate cake. So I'll teach you how I achieve this wonderful and lovely swirl. So just stay glued to your screen and see how this was produced. Over here are my chemicals I have displayed on my work table, so I'll be showing them one after the other with their measurements, so you know how I achieve this. You can also practice them using the same measurement at home. So I will start by dissolving my lye or caustic soda. It's actually called lye or caustic soda. When working or handling lye or caustic soda, you have to make sure that you've used a hand gloves to protect your hand, and you're using an eye goggle to protect your eyes, because it's actually a very corrosive and caustic chemical, so you have to be very careful when you're working with it. And over here is my palm kernel oil. I'm making use of 2000 grams of palm kernel oil, and I'm mixing it with groundnut oil. I'm using 750 grams. This is called groundnut oil, or you also call it peanut oil, depending on your region, on how you call it. Next, I'll be displaying the soap mold that we are selling. We produce this mold at my factory, or should I say my industry, where we make soap. We have this mold in stock. If you need them, you can reach us through the mobile number to purchase the mold. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can build this mold down to your location. So if you need it, reach us on the phone number on WhatsApp to purchase it. So back to the production process, I'm going to add my sodium silicate. For the silicate, I'm making use of 200 grams of sodium silicate. I've added it directly into my oil. I'm going to stir it properly, make sure it is having properly mixed with my oil. Next, I'll be adding my caustic soda solution. So I've divided the soap batter into two different jugs. The first jug, I'll put white color in the both jugs and stir. Then in my main mixing bowl, I'm going to add the brown color, or add brown color. You can see how I'm doing it, adding bit by bit, so that when I get to the desired appearance or color, I will stop adding it. When I notice that I've gotten to the color I'm looking for, I will stop adding it. So I'm adding bit by bit. Next, I will add the fragrance. And also, don't forget, I conduct online classes, just in case you want to join my online class, where you will learn a lot of skincare formulations and household cleaning products. You can do it by checking the video description. You'll find a link where to take you to the class on WhatsApp. But if you have difficulty joining me through the link, you can just reach me on the phone number I have been displaying there. You've seen what I've done. I actually poured one of the soap into brown soap. See how it's going to come out. You can see how I actually achieved this. You can see the method I used. So this is very easy to make. You can actually practice this at home and also produce something similar to this. This is one of the methods of soap making. This is called a swirl soap, where you can produce a colorful soap. It's actually called swirl soap making, where you make your soap look colorful and beautiful. It's termed as swirl soap making. This is a swirl soap that I have just, or I'm producing. So I'm placing those woods inside one by one to give it a pattern or a shape. You can see what I'm doing. I place those woods inside one after the other to give the soap a pattern or a nice shape. I'll keep this for 24 hours. This is how it looks like the following day. I'm going to take it out of the soap mold. I'm going to use this my cutter to divide the soap into different segments. If you need this cutter, you can also reach us on the phone number there. We will wheel it down to your location. This is a precision cutter used for cutting bar soap like this. If you need this cutter, don't forget to reach us through the mobile number there to purchase it. We deliver this nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria or wheresoever you're located in Nigeria, we can wheel this down to your location. It's actually a very nice soap equipment to purchase or to have handy. This will help you cut your long bars of soap into smaller bars. So thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends that you think will want to learn how to produce beautiful soap like this. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to drop your comments. And most especially, don't forget that you have to follow me, so you'll be updated by my newest and latest videos that will be coming in within the week. So thank you all for watching. Goodbye and have a lovely day. See you all next time.